So I created a YouTube video and now I want to create some short videos to help promote that longer YouTube video. I'm going to show you how it's done in DaVinci Resolve. So at the moment you can see I've got my video. If we go to the bottom right hand of the screen and click Project Settings, and then you'll notice that the screen resolution is 1920 by 1080. We need to click Use a Vertical Resolution. You'll notice the resolution now swaps around to 1080 by 1920. Here is a demonstration. You then click Save. You can see the preview window has now changed to the vertical position. We then select the parts of the clips like we usually do, place them down to the timeline, and we review the footage. So we can see the dog Fern, the GSP, is coming off the screen, and we always want her on the screen. So what we'll do is we'll put the cursor there and we will slice the video. You can see the slices there. We will then open up the inspector and we will go to AI Smart Reframe, and we'll do Object of Interest and we'll select Reference Point. Now you'll see there's no reference point box on there, so we click this reference point box to the right and you'll see it's now come up there. We adjust this however we want, and in this case we want Fern to be on screen at all times, and then we click Reframe and AI will basically do its thing. So you can see where where Fern was, where the box is, and where she is now. So now let's preview our video. So you can see she's now in the video. So the other things worth noting is if you haven't got the framing quite right, you can come down here and you can choose reframe and scaling, and then scaling down here. And then you've got all these 4 different options or 5 different options. So what I tend to use, fill tends to be the best one that I find works. And then that's it. You can then do your quick export and you can export it out and upload it straight to YouTube as a short. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, please help support the channel by clicking the like button below and I'll get some more content up. Thanks.